श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री अग्नये नमः। श्री आयुर्वेदाय नमः। श्री गणेशाय नमः। नाभिमध्ये शरीरस्य विज्ञेयं सोममण्डलम्। सोममण्डलमध्यस्थं विद्यात् तत् सूर्यमण्डलम्। प्रदीपवच्चापिरुणां तस्य मध्ये हुताशनः। श्री हुताशनाय नमः। Today, Ayurveda Ayatanam is presenting you a series by name Agni Vaibhavam. That is the glory and greatness of Bhagavan Agni in Ayurveda. Not only in Ayurveda but also in Veda, Itihasa, Purana, etc. Why Agni has been considered in this auspicious Kartika Masa? Then the answer is this Kartika Masa is Kritika Nakshatra Pradhana Masa, and due to this name only Kartika has been nomenclatured. This Kritika Nakshatra is Agni Pradhana Nakshatra, and the reference is Rigveda Nakshatra Sukta. Agnirna Patu Kritikaha is the Veda mantra. So in this Agni Pradhana Nakshatra, that is Kartika Masa, speaking, gaining and listening about Agni is Atyanta Punyakara. It does the Dahana of Papas and makes the Gnana Agni Prachodana. And in this regard, today we are gaining and also starting the glory and greatness of Agni by name Agni Vaibhavam. Now, let's see the importance and greatness given to Agni by the Shastra. In Charaka Samhita, there is a shloka saying Balam Arogyam Ayushcha Pranascha Agno Pratishtitaha Annapanindhanischa Agnir Jwalati Veticha Anyata, and also Balam Arogyam Ayushcha Pranascha Agno Pratishtitaha Ayurvarnam Balam Swastham Utsahopachayo Prabha Ojastejo Agnayaha Shanti Agno Mriyate Yukte Chiram Jivatyanamayah are the important shloka that can be seen from Charaka Samhita stating the importance of Agni in Shastra. So this shloka clearly states that the Bala, Arogya and Varna of a person or an individual is solely dependent on Agni, and also Shanti Agno Mriyate, that is when Agni gets Shanti, it gets Marana, and Yukte Chiram Jivatyanamayah, and if Agni is Samavastha, then that person will be Anamayaha, that is healthy individual. So this is the importance given to the Agni. And when we raise a question, is dosha important or Agni important? Then the answer is definitely Agni is only important. And what is the pramana? And the pramana is again Charaka Samhita Gulma Chikitsa Adhyaya Shama Prakopo Doshanam Sarvesham Agni Samshitau Tasmad Agnim Sada Rakshem Nidanani Cha Varjayet is the shloka. That is, the Shama and Prakopa of the three doshas, namely Vata, Pitta and Kapha, is solely depending on Agni, and hence our kartavya is to do the rakshana of Agni. Like this, in this Agni Vaibhavam, we will be seeing n number of quotations and the references giving importance and praising Agni as how much importance the Agni is. And also in this Agni Vaibhavam, not only we will be seeing about the importance and greatness of Agni from Ayurveda Samhitas, but also from various Veda, Itihasa and Puranas, and also how Ayurveda Acharyas are the great devotees of Agni. Is there any Agni Devata Stotra in this Ayurveda Samhitas? Yes. Then the answer is in Ashtanga Sangraha, Vagbhatacharya mentions about Agni Danda Mantra or Agni Danda Stotra, which is a very powerful stotra. So like this, all these aspects will be covered in this Agni Vaibhavam series. Thus, with this small introduction, we conclude today's Agni Vaibhavam first episode. Sarvam Shri Agni Deva Charanara Vindarpanamastu. Swasti.